Hello and welcome to my next damage report. We had spring frosts 2 days in a row, and you can see that some Asiatics, LAs, OTs have sustained damage. For example, this one is Yelloween, and if the unfortunately the shoot is also damaged, so this won't give me flowers this year, maybe next year. But these will be alright. This is Lexington LA hybrid. Because the middle is green, it will give a good stem, hopefully, this year. And you can see other cultivars are okay. And unfortunately, some of my tetraploid trumpet seedlings have suffered damage also. So this one, they can still regrow. You can see that the very young shoots are okay, but these older ones are damaged. These two. So if the middle is okay, the meristem is okay, then it will grow. And one other interesting thing is that this is Lilium lancifolium splendens, and you can see virus symptoms on the leaves, and then they will be masked in the summertime. So here also frost damage. It appears that stem is not going to give me flowers. Some are still dormant. So there's also some frost damage. You can see. Just from here, this one also seems to be dead. This is okay. This is the same cultivar, Black Beauty. And this also suffered damage. Which cultivar is Eastermorn. So it's a longifloral trumpet hybrid, and this shoot is okay. This last one is not okay, but the middle is fine, so it will still give a good stem for the show. And look at this, just starting to come up, and that is Graffity, very nice LA hybrid. So thank you for your attention, see you next time, bye bye.